What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Donna, and this is H. Alright, guys, so today we're actually going to talk about school days in Jamaica. What school days is like and what school days is like now. I mean, we're not there, but comparing to what is happening there, then we are going to talk about our days back in Jamaica.
And the things when we used to we used to sell a school gate from the vendor them.
Yeah.
Back in the days, like my earlier school days are like the 80s, early 90s.
And you know what?
I mean, I don't know if that's still a go on now.
What's still a go on? If you don't come across this video, guys, and you know that you have kids going to school, and if these things still sell, put in the comment section and let us know if these things still are go on
at Jamaica.
Jamaica. Right. Let us know.
If it still can get them these things that we're going to mention at a school gate from the vendor, they may sell at the school gate.
Right. Let us know. Alright, so the first one is Asham. Going to school and buying Asham at school. You used to have it in a little bag and you shake it out there and you lick long out your tongue and you...
I used to get that in a class to buy it too.
Yeah? People used to sell it.
Or, I don't remember if a picnic or school I would say, but like break time we used to get it in a class.
Right.
Asham.
Yeah.
We couldn't know if Asham still exists and if it's if it still exists compared to back then and now.
Right. The next one is Donkey Khan.
Yeah, Jackass Khan.
Yeah, Jackass Khan.
I don't know if that still exists.
I think so. Donkey Khan still exists, I believe so.
You know Mr. What
What?
You remember a bullet we used to call 10-cent bullet?
10-cent bullet, that was the next one. Really?
Yeah.
That was the
10-cent bullet.
That was the next one when we was going to talk about 10-cent bullet, Jackass Khan. Yo, when you bite all the Jackass Khan, you feel like your teeth are go pop out, man. I don't know if them still sell Donkey Khan at school gate. But 10-cent bullet, another one. I don't know if you used to like buy Nutribullet at school and milk and them something there.
To get them free.
You used to get them free, but
until one at the time we start
buy them,
contribute
and carry them home.
Yeah.
Carry them home. Then would I give you it free like them would I give you a bag free and then you would have carry a bag. You would have buy the bag and carry home. I used to make my kids them buy them and carry home.
They used to come in the classroom by the bag.
Yeah.
Bun and milk and them used to issue them out.
Yo, the Nutri-Bun them did nice.
And the bulla. You used to have patty. You ever get patty at school?
No.
Yeah.
Remember saying
Some little patty.
Yeah.
Some little patty with an Irish in it.
Really?
Irish, yeah, Irish inside of the patty too.
Irish potato?
Irish potato,
I
yeah.
don't know that.
Yeah, some little patty. Yeah, man, we used to get them at school too.
Oh, really?
But we are talking about outside of the school gate now. When you go to the school gate now, back in our days, where we used to see what at the school gate to sell. Certain things, you must see at the school gate to sell.
Yeah.
Tell me what I think are two things where you must see at the school gate.
I don't really know. Because me miss
Just
school
guess.
days.
Just guess. Like, just run, just guess.
Orange.
No.
Not fruit.
No, it must have to be food. No.
Balloon.
It have to be something. Remember, there was school gate, So it have to be something where they use, already picking them want to use.
Pencil. Book. Yeah. Sharpener. Rubber.
But if no pencil under there, if no sharpener and rubber under there, exercise book.
Yeah.
Always there at the school gate.
Yeah.
Always. Back in the days, I don't know about now. Right. Exercise book. You know much time when I go school,
you go to school and left your book and not have your book and you have to buy a book.
Or me not like so my book them start get old.
Right.
I start have dog years.
Right.
So me as a man we all reach out halfway in my book and just
done with it
and just
use your lunch money buy a
Ask to
book.
go to the bathroom and then we and just come out and just go to the gate and buy a book. I mean, never go out there and don't get a book.
You remember selling selling anything at school as a child? No?
No.
You ever sell like candy in your class or them something?
Mm-mm.
Remember one time, me and Keisha go to school and me I tell her we pick orange off of the tree and carry go a gate go sell it to the igla them, and then give a little money. Lord, that who rich so? What? We rich like nothing. We pick the orange and carry it in our school bag and go sell the igla them at the gate where them sell it back to the kids them. And we feel like we're rich. You can eat big lunch that day there.
Yeah. And when back in the days when I got to school, even though $1 Jamaican dollar could have lunch me, still enough days I go to school without lunch money.
Yeah. Go to school
Enough days. Me have a rich friend. I even used to depend upon enough days. I call him rich still because he always have money.
When you go to school, especially when you grow up in the countryside and you go to school, you get up a morning time and you carry water and you go river go bathe. You ever do that? You don't grow up a country, so you don't know. You
I river already though, I carry water already.
Okay. And we have to get up and do that every morning, and if you have to go to school, then by the time you reach a school, you're exhausted. So
By the time you reach a school, you're asleep.
yeah, you reach a school, if you look at days when we
Like
get in
bed
a
you
school, I like I'm in bed me go when me go to school. It's like sleep kill me because you have to get up so early if you carry water and that's what I'm saying nowadays. I don't know if the kids them go through certain things at school or how easy them have it more than how we have it. As a mother, you try, or a father, you would try to make your kids them, have a better life than you know. But
most of them the kids them nowadays, when me think, based apart from my kids them, compared to when me used to go to school, they're different. Them kids are not even going to go to school if them not have lunch money.
Yeah. Them don't want to go to school if them not have lunch money, and the reality is true.
Yeah, them not go.
Yeah.
Right. Me never really go to school barefoot yet. Me never go to school barefoot. But me did have one shoes where I go to school. Yeah. You remember some shoes with the
Lada.
Plastic, rubber
Lada.
shoes.
Lada.
You don't want to have any shoes in the sun, man.
50 cents a pair, easy for tear, but it hard for repair, you know? If you don't read that book here, it in there. It in there. That shows when sun hit you, I put
on the sun.
Put it in that
and you know when you stink up.
What? And sweat when your foot sweating like that.
Stink when you take out that have left a door, you know.
Yeah.
But a good thing about it, you can just, as you go, you can just wash it.
Yeah. You step in any water with it and
you just go
run through it.
You just wash it and put it for dry. A couple of minutes to dry.
You didn't know this one they call gator.
Well, on there, you just have two types of the rubber plastic shoes. You'd have a gentleman looking one with a straight mouth, like a gentleman is straight, and you'd have the round mouth one.
Right.
Me did have the round mouth one first, and I couldn't get two of them one time.
Right.
I didn't spend probably about $5, $15, $20 for one of them shoes there. No? Me did have one of the round mouth one first, but we got school so till you bust up.
Yeah.
Bust up the front part of it. Bust up. And I one shoes me having when I pass Sunday I have to wash and put on, you know.
Right.
So you see when we get the Jenkel, a new one now, which was the Gentleman one now.
Gentleman looking one.
Yeah. Well,
bossy.
Put on it every night and push it out in the crowd so when I go road. Make everybody see another tear upon them have push it out in the light, you know.
That's
until that when I start getting old though. Yeah man. But
that's why you see, where you're at right now comparing to where you was back then, you have to appreciate life. Because trust me, compared to what you was to now.
And then time it's like you know say you're poor, you don't know, you just know say you enjoy life, you go to school, play with your friend them, go home, eat a dinner or whatever, go on your bed, get up, you just live. You don't know if you're poor or whatever. You see that kids look different, yes, but it never really matter.
Right. And when you look at all of my clothes, them could have hold in a one scandal bag. because me never have much. You know? Me out of shoes, me not have no shoes. Everywhere me I go barefoot.
So like,
Everywhere me I go
you prefer
barefoot.
school days.
You know?
Because you prefer school days.
But school days, you know, have none either. You know, have no shoes I wear go to school. Barefoot, me go to school. When I have the ladder, I have to have it in my bag same way because you can't wear it when sun hot. You have to stay in the cool.
Burn off your foot.
So at the same
Melt
time,
off of your foot.
when I look and see how much box of shoes I have now, sometimes I shake my head and pinch myself. I'm say, Georgia, I appreciate it, you know? Yeah.
That's all I've got still, right?
Yeah.
Life, not supposed to remain one way, in a one stage. If you grow, come up and see yourself in a one stage of life, just over the period of years, you know, improve.
Yeah, it's stagnant.
You have to go check yourself.
You have to check yourself. It's something, you know, and that is why I encourage people like always, you know, push themselves to be better. Those just stuck one place and feel like nothing now going for you because God help
key
those
to that is hard work.
Yeah, hard work. God help those who help themselves, and
Easy.
if you put your mind to anything, you can accomplish it. I strongly believe that anything you want, you can accomplish. So, I guess we're gonna finish the video now, guys. So, bless up on yourself. We're gonna run out left for now on this one. So, don't forget to like the video, guys. Like the video, share it, tell a friend, share it with your friends and your family, and tell a friend about our YouTube channel. We're trying to grow it, and we like your support, okay?
I remember to let us know that this is for the people living in Jamaica. Let us know if them think they still there school gate to sell.
Right. We want to
them
know.
even still exist.
We want to know if we still can find Donkey Kong, Police Button, Asham, and these things.
Buster.
Buster. A school gate, them something there, if them still have them selling a school
And if anybody
gate.
still make suck.
Mm-hmm.
Suck.
You know, maybe make some suck one day, man.
I mean, know if people still make suck now, then I call it suck, you know.
Yeah.
I'll change the name.
Yeah. We know some bag juice still exists, because I see Gracie, as you talk about that, I have bag juice downstairs. I want nobody not drink it. Drink them.
You talk about suck now, I'll be a blue, I get. I'll be a bun out here, I get.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Bless up on yourself. Peace, guys. Bye.